Welcome back to Think Fast. Can you guess 100 animals in just 3 seconds each? Before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Let's begin with the easy level. Guess the animal. It's a kangaroo. Next animal. It's a zebra. You got this? It's a panda. Guess the animal. It's a koala. Let's go. It's a dolphin. What is it? It's a shark. Next animal. It's a penguin. Easy one. It's a bear. Guess the animal. It's a fox. You got this. It's a wolf. Next. It's a deer. Guess the animal. It's a camel. Let's go. It's a crocodile. What is it? It's a hippopotamus. Next animal. It's a rhinoceros. Easy one. It's an eagle. Guess the animal. It's an owl. You got this. It's a parrot. Next. It's a peacock. What is it? It's a flamingo. Guess the animal. It's a cheetah. Let's go with. It's a leopard. Next animal. It's a hyena. You got this. It's a gorilla. Guess the animal. It's a chimpanzee. Next. It's a squirrel. Easy one. It's a moose. Guess the animal. It's a buffalo. Let's go. It's a walrus. What is it? It's an octopus. Next animal. It's a tortoise. Guess the animal. It's a snake. You got this. It's a frog. Next. It's an ostrich. Easy one. It's a sloth. Guess the animal. It's an armadillo. Let's go. It's a porcupine. Next animal. It's a chameleon. You got this. It's a meerkat. Level up. Medium starts now. Guess the animal. It's a lemur. Guess the animal. It's a lion. Next animal. It's a tiger. Any ideas? It's an elephant. Guess the animal. It's a giraffe. Let's go. It's a horse. Next. It's a donkey. What is it? It's a goat. Guess the animal. It's a sheep. Next animal. It's a cow. You got this? It's a dog. Guess the animal. It's a cat. Next. It's a rabbit. Any ideas? It's a pig. Guess the animal. It's a bat. Let's go. It's an antelope. Next animal. It's a jaguar. Guess the animal. It's a panther. What is it? It's a lynx. Next, it's a cougar. Guess the animal. It's a bobcat. Any ideas? It's a weasel. Next animal. It's an otter. Guess the animal. It's a badger. Let's go. It's a mongoose. Next. It's a skunk. Guess the animal. It's a raccoon. What is it? It's a hedgehog. Next animal. It's a hamster. Guess the animal. It's a guinea pig. Any ideas? It's a beaver. Next, it's a seal. Guess the animal. It's a sea lion. Let's go. It's a manatee. Next animal. It's a narwhal. Guess the animal. It's a whale. What is it? It's a stingray. Next, it's a jellyfish. Guess the animal. It's a crab. Any ideas? It's a lobster. This is the hard level. Stay focused. Guess the animal. It's a starfish. Guess the animal. It's a seahorse. Next animal. It's a clownfish. Think fast. It's a swordfish. Guess the animal. It's a barracuda. Next, it's a piranha. What is it? It's a vulture. Guess the animal. It's a falcon. Next animal. It's a hawk. Only pros get this. It's a swan. Guess the animal. It's a duck. Next. It's a goose. Think fast. It's a turkey. Guess the animal. It's a quail. Next animal. It's a woodpecker. What is it? It's a kingfisher. Guess the animal. It's a toucan. Next, it's a canary. Only pros get this. It's a finch. Guess the animal. It's a sparrow. Final one. It's a crow. That was intense. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments. If you enjoyed this challenge, hit like and subscribe and get ready for the next quiz. Ready?